Hey folks, Adam here, and we have this. It's a THINKWARE dash cam. It's got 1440p on front and rear cameras, and I tell you, this was an absolute breeze to set up. Comes with a 32 gigabyte card, and it has a beautiful screen that is very touch sensitive and easy to use. It will talk to you. It will connect to your phone using Wi-Fi to transfer those files quickly. You can pop that TF card right out and put it straight into your computer. And this is going to be a great solution for making sure that you're protected from top to bottom against unwanted lawsuits, to keep a track of who's been driving your car and how, and all sorts of critical data. With that 1440p screen, you're going to be able to see things like license plates and faces, and this even has a park monitor option. So folks, let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so let me tell you about some of the features of this dash cam with smart driving alerts. Yeah, this has smart driving alerts, and it is 3 times energy saving of other vehicles, particularly with that continuous mode. It's got 1440 by 1440p front and rear camera, which is really crystal clear. Wi-Fi to make sure you can transfer data to your smart device quickly and efficiently. No lags there. Superior night vision to make sure that even night footage is crystal clear, getting rid of unwanted distortion. 24/7 park mode, which ties into the hardwiring to where it will keep a continuous kind of like time-lapse video of what's going on even when you're parked. And on top of that, it includes a 32 gig card and 12-volt cable, and it ties into GPS to where you know the location of everything going down. Now, it has continuous, perfect, beautiful 1440p. I'm used to saying 1080. This has 1440, which is superior, a really crystal clear image, which means that if somebody bumps into you and drives away, you can see a license plate. That means if somebody's messing with your vehicle, you can see their face. And that's all because of their impressive A12, A75 CPU. That CPU is really able to process a lot of data very quickly. It's got the 2.7-inch touchscreen, which allows you to be visually notified of driver assistance, safety alerts, and things of the sort. And you can play back videos on the spot with that very nice screen. It's an easy-to-read screen, and I like that. It includes the GPS antenna accessory, which enables speed and red light alerts. So you literally get notified when you're driving if there's like a speed trap or a red light coming up, and that can be very important. It also enables speed and time and location on the footage if that's what you want. That's a really cool and impressive addition as well. I also love the fact that you can privacy lock the data. For me, I might be having a business conversation that I don't want anyone to just be able to access. If you have the microphone enabled, it's recording that on the inside of the car. So this allows you to password protect the data on the device to where not just anyone can steal it. So that's important to me. And also this has got superior night vision, which gets rid of the noise in low light conditions to where even if you're parked, you'll see every detail. The parking surveillance mode, I really like the time lapse on this. It's got impact detection where it will record if there's impact, smart parking mode, energy saving, and this all ties into that hard wiring option where it runs right into the battery of your vehicle. Signal alert, so it'll let you know if the light changes to green. You never have to miss a signal again. IPS panel ensures seamless viewing experience every angle, every time. And it's got thermal protection to make sure that the device will safely shut down if it gets too hot, for example, but it still records your footage. Other devices don't do that, and you can lose footage this way, and I've had that in extreme situations. So, with the various recording modes like continuous, incident, manual, and energy saving, the smart file management system, this will meet all of your needs. Folks, 2 other things that are really hard to show you, a couple other things, would be the front vehicle start alert. It lets you know when the vehicle in front of you starts to drive. This can be very important in traffic-y situations if you drive home from work, for example, in traffic. Lets you know when the traffic light changes too. That's very important, to where you're not just sitting at a red light and everyone's honking at you. It's got the forward collision warning system. It calculates speed and distance and will alert you if, oh my God, hit the brakes. And the lane departure warning to kind of give you a notification if you're starting to drift out of the lane. So a lot of really cool stuff there.
Please have a safe drive today.
All right, folks, and although it's hard to show in real time as I'm driving, this thing is a great little device when it comes to actually telling me what's happening. So I'm at a red light. It's going to make sure that I don't just stay here when it's green. It's going to let me know when a vehicle in front of me leaves, etc., etc. So that's a very important feature as well. And it does speak in very easy to read language. I like that. It's easy to understand. And folks, I want to show you how easy and intuitive this is to use. It's got that beautiful screen, and even though we're in full sunlight here in Florida, we can read it very well. You can see it's recording audio, it's connected to Wi-Fi, and it is indeed a touch screen. So it's going to be very easy to use. Of course, we can walk right into our settings. We can adjust the live view. We can see the file list. We can adjust the settings and about the device. And it's all very easy to adjust here at a push of a button. So a great device. So there you go, folks. An absolutely fantastic camera that you're going to love with the front and rear camera. Incredibly easy to install with that little adhesive on top. It's one that you're going to want to pick up and you won't be disappointed. My name is Adam. We're looking at the best products in all the land, and guess what, folks? This is absolutely the best of the best. Go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. You know we love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.